There he is. Roaming about on the rocks at Nihon Beach. Nihon. Don't cut your foot open. There you go. Over this way. You're walking on like the point right there to here. There you go. To here. To here.
Did you just tell me how to walk?
Yeah, you were walking on the pointy stuff.
You just micromanaged my walk. You micromanaged my shell hunt.
Your shell hunt.
Yeah.
I got a rock.
Micromanaged my shell hunt. But I found a couple of little tiny shells.